Mabuhay everybody. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. Today it's thundering. It looks like it's going to rain heavy. It's currently Tuesday, July 13th. Tomorrow I am getting my second dose of the Pfizer vaccine. And today, what are we doing today? Today we are going to try and attempt to make a new collection to put up on the websites and just have some new content, because we always have to keep thinking, keep, new ideas, some fresh ideas, so I'm thinking of doing that. And also a customer is picking up a set for me, and hope you guys enjoy this very random vlog. It's just bits and pieces from a few days last week when I was doing a bunch of orders. Morning everybody. So today is a very rainy day. It's dark outside. I'm just currently drinking my coffee and eating some corned beef and garlic rice. Very Filipino. My coffee, I drink it with this International Delight creamer. It's the bomb. And I drink it with a teaspoon of sugar. And yeah, and it's pretty delicious. I have 3 sets to do today. I'm debating if I should get a bird's eye tripod from Amazon because I don't have one, and I'm trying to figure out a best way for me to film my nail art tutorial videos, but I just can't seem to work out even the tripod that I currently own. So I might get a cheap bird's eye view tripod. What do you guys think? Do you guys have a bird's eye tripod if you do art and stuff like that? You guys, it's so dark outside. Normally when I eat breakfast at this time, it's around 9. What time is it? But typically around this time, like, it's bright out and you don't really need this like terrible light, but it's really dark outside. So this color, ooh, bright. This video is probably all over the place. I just did one of my customers' orders, so this one here, I'm gonna package that soon, and I made a TikTok on it, so if you follow me on TikTok, you'll see it there. I also just finished a set for a customer. Look how freaking cute that is. It was actually a photo that I shared by another artist, and she wanted nails, like a whole nail set with this design, and I'm in love. So I'm probably gonna tag her in my Instagram post when I'm done with her whole bundle set. She ordered another set as well, and it's a glow-in-the-dark palm tree nail set, so you guys will probably see it once I'm done with it. But I ordered the glow-in-the-dark pigments yesterday, so they should be here today. I also ordered the bird's eye view tripod for my camera to film like overhead while I do nail art videos, so I'm excited to do that. And also I ordered a marble laminate for my desk because I don't want to ruin this desk that I just bought. So I've been using this silicone mat and it's not really aesthetically pleasing, so I'm gonna put a laminate over this desk. Using a silicone mat when you have lots of glitters, acrylic powders, paints, it all just kind of, it's unavoidable to make spills and things like that, so it just ends up looking really bad. That's why I bought the marble laminate to put on top of the table. Actually stopped raining now, but it's been such a gloomy day and everything is just wet outside. Nothing really much happening today, but I did film a few things, and yeah, sort of a day in life, but not really. I'm also in the process of applying for a full-time job because right now I don't have another job. I'm just doing this full-time. So I've been applying to a bunch of places, but I feel like when I put small business on my resume, I don't know how that looks to an employer. I might have to look at, I don't know, research a few things. But I just hate writing resumes, even though I went to school building resumes and doing a lot of English writing. So they do teach you how to make a resume properly. It's quite a task. And I've been applying to several places and still nothing. So yeah, there's that. I got some stuff from Amazon. So this one here, I got a chrome pigment. This one's actually a really good brand. I have another one from them, and I really like the iridescentness of it. I don't know, iridescentness, is that a word? Then I also got glow-in-the-dark pigments for some glow-in-the-dark nails. I got some nail stands and some nail files. These ones are pretty cheap, and they come in like a lot of nail files. So I forgot to film the last nail set with the palm trees. Here it is. The lighting in here sucks because today is another overcast day. Okay. Hi guys. Oh, wrong day. Why can't I ever? It's today, is it July? Oh my gosh, it's July 9th. So last night I was doing a glow-in-the-dark nail set and it took me forever. It was taking me a really long time. Today I'm doing an ocean nail set. It's kind of a continuation of yesterday because I did 3 sets yesterday and I only allow myself to do 3 sets a day because I don't want to get burnt out, and I get burnt out really easily. My face is so puffy and I'm looking at myself on camera and I'm like, oh Lord. When I glow up, it's over for you bitches. Am I okay? And here's the ocean set that I made that I forgot to film as well. And then for the majority of the day, I just cleaned up my workstation as it does get cluttered pretty quickly. When I do a lot of nail art type of requests, all my polishes come out and there's lots of glitter and it just gets really cluttered and I can't work in a very cluttered space. So I do this regularly. I vacuum, clean up my brushes, and before I can start on other things. One of my favorite purchases from Amazon is this mini vacuum that I use for my desk just to clean up the debris. So I put some shelving up here to kind of organize some things that were just kind of laying on my desk before, and my desk used to be way smaller than this, maybe like half of this desk. And then I put my nail jar up there. I have more nail polishes up there that I don't really use that often. I have some prep kits and some nail art stuff. That jewelry box my boyfriend gave me, I just keep it here. And then I have my notebook where I put all people's sizes and things like that, nail sizes and measurements and things like that. And then here I have my nail e-file and my builder gel, my deco gel, pretty much all the gel stuff. And then I have more nail polishes up here, my lollipops that I give away to my customers. And then I have more nail polishes up here. And then I have these like wonderful nostalgic photos that my friend gave me. And this is actually just ruined because of acetone. I use this like acetone pump, which I don't use anymore because it did that to my organizers because they're acrylic, and you know acrylic and acetone don't mix. Yeah, so that's because of this. I normally get my acetone from Walmart, but sometimes when desperate times I just go to Shoppers Drug Mart and I purchase one of these. And they do come in handy sometimes, but again, like if you're not using the pump correctly, it could spill over and hit a bunch of acrylic stuff, so that's fun. And I have a fan. I currently don't have a nail filter, which I'm trying to invest in. But right now I have a fan that I bought from Amazon, and it works to kind of, you know, move the debris around. And I do wear a mask while I do nails, so you know, that is that. And I also have this one. I should put somewhere else, but that's what I use to kind of put on the nail cards when I send off nails to people. But I have a, what do you call this, shredder, an electric shredder. I have nail tips over there in that little box that I got from AliExpress. And I have some prep kits over there that I got from AliExpress. A couple more nails tips inside of that basket that I don't use at all, so that's why I put it there. And I have my Après nail tips that I use for my customers because I find that they're great quality and I'm obsessed with Après. So more nail polishes, and I just put it here, kind of slide it in. More gel polishes here. Rhinestones that I have from Nails and Art, really good rhinestones. The quality is just so good. This is a canvas that I made, really cool. And then on this side I didn't organize it yet, so that's why but I have this like makeshift really terrible tripod. I have a tripod, my dad was using it, so I don't have one right now, so I'm using a makeshift tripod. You do what you gotta do. And then I just have a bunch of like mailers in that drawer. I don't even know why I'm showing you guys this, but this side isn't done. This side is sort of done. So here I'm just showing you guys a time-lapsed video of how I pretty much do a custom nail set. So here I'm just cutting it to fit my customer's request. So it's not shown on this video, but I use the Macart primer and the dehydrator on the nails before I put on the base coat, which I'm doing right now. The video is going pretty quick, so and then I put the base coat of the nails before I do the nail design. One of the nails has a French tip and the ring finger has a grid design, and then the thumb has lemons on it. I love Madame Glam's polishes because they're pigmented and also the consistency is not runny, so it's perfect for nail art. I don't really use gel pots that often because I do use a lot of like Madame Glam's polishes, and also Nails and Art has really good gel polishes that can be used for nail art as well. So yeah, there you have it. Let's do an Amazon haul because I'm always shopping there. I can't help it because it's like 2-day shipping and it's convenient, even though ironically I hate Jeff Bezos, you know. And hopefully I'm using the smallest scissors to open this. Okay, so the first thing I got was, oh, it came today really quickly. Some glow-in-the-dark gel paint pots by this brand called Saviland. And I've only heard of this brand because one of my TikTok friends recommended. And okay, wait, let's see what it looks like. All right, there's more tape. What the hell? Okay. Ooh, they make their packaging really nice. Okay. And it shows you pretty much the color of what it looks like when it's glow in the dark. So it turns kind of like that when you, I guess this is the glowy part and this is the side where it's not. And I'm excited to do some nail looks with it. I don't know what the consistency is like, but I will probably do a more in-depth review on these, but I'm excited to use them. Then I got this here. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is the, okay, so I got this for my brother. He's not probably gonna see this YouTube video. I got him an archaeology kit because he's obsessed with dinosaurs, and I thought, why not give him one of this? And it's really neat. looks like that. Super cool. I'm gonna wrap it up. And then I got this really gigantic box. I'm not sure what's in here. Let's open it. Why is it so much of this stuff? And there's probably like one small tiny thing. Oh, so this is, I swear, oh, there it is. This is the bird's eye view tripod that I got, and you have to kind of build it yourself. So that should be interesting. And I got some laminate for my table. Is that what it's called? It's a marble laminate. It looks like it's tiny though. Hopefully it fits my table. I'm kind of scared. It's super tiny. Interesting. Okay, so you guys didn't see the tripod. That's what it looks like. Today's Tagalog word is kumikitlak, which means it's thundering. So if it's thundering where you are, yeah, it's thundering here. So please be safe. Bilisan nyo na. Subscribe na kayo. Hurry up guys and subscribe. And that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and comment down below on what your favorite nail trend is currently at the moment, what nail shape you guys like, and yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to see future Manila Girl Nails stuff, and that bell notification so you get alerted. And yeah.